No. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. Whoa! No!
Alright, what's going on, guys? It's What You Doing Reacts, back with another Chainsaw Man episode. This time we are here with episode 8. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts on the episode or your thoughts on our reaction. And you can subscribe to our Patreon, and subscribers to our Patreon actually get to dictate what we react to next. We are really excited for this Chainsaw.
Sure, yeah, I'm actually keen to watch this one.
Let's go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I hope the sex scene lasts at least 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Oh my god, to the cuffs he's wearing. Oh!
Wait, what?
He said no.
It's finished.
Oh no, she decided not to.
Oh.
That's good.
Yeah, consent is important.
Oh.
Oh!
Wait a second.
But if they're both drunk,
Yeah, then...
it's a grey area.
Wait.
It's actually gonna happen.
For free?
Was this before? This might have been before.
No, this is after.
After?
Oh no, this is before.
Yeah, I think this
No, it's
is
before, it's before.
I think it's the lead up.
Oh.
Oh, it's before.
Tell me she brushes her teeth, please.
Oh
Oh.
my
What
god.
is going on?
Oh my god. Next button. Next button. Oh.
Damn.
She...
Put some mouthwash in, please. Right. Here we go. Oh, more alcohol.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my...
Damn.
It's not our first rodeo. It's pretty neat they added in her hiccuping.
Oh, what the
I've never
hell?
seen that.
What is
That's
that
an
for?
interesting POV. I've never seen that in anime before.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
What is...
Oh.
Damn.
Oh. Full man.
Oh.
POV.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Jeez
God.
Louise.
She's feeding him beer.
Oh my god, he's like fucking passed out.
Yeah, he wanted
Wait,
some
what?
water. He fucking wants some water. Ooh.
Mm.
Damn straight.
Wait.
Oh,
shit. What's the point of that intro? Wait, what's the point of that
I
intro?
think it's just like a recap.
I'm pretty sure once this goes away they start going ham.
Oh,
Bro, the POVs in this show are so like interesting. I've never seen that in an anime before. This is quite a groundbreaking show, you know.
in a way, like in terms of like the animation, yeah, it kind of is. Because like most of the time the anime like fandom kind of like frowns upon like CG. I feel like this is like one of the first animes where it's like the CG is actually kind of...
Praise.
Yeah, it's actually kind
it
of
is.
cool.
No, there's a few shows that are full CG and they get
In Attack on Titan they have a few CG moments.
See,
And it's
Attack
pretty
on Titan's the most
disgusting.
CG.
Jesus.
Yeah,
It's pretty
I remember,
disgusting.
yeah.
Here we go, here we go.
Alright.
Oh, come
Come on,
on.
come on.
Lean forward, please. Lean forward. They knocked over the chair? Lord have mercy. Oh. This guy. Denji, don't cockblock yourself, man. Come on, man.
Of course he did. Oh.
There's a
Oh, the
POV.
chainsaw.
POV, amateur POV.
Bro, imagine if it's a chainsaw. That would be insane.
Oh,
Chainsaw this.
it's a chainsaw cock.
Oh,
Bro, it's, I swear to God, that actually might not even be.
please. That's his cock, man. Come on.
Oh,
Chopper chop. Wait, what?
this is before, surely.
Oh,
Yeah, there it is. And that's why he cockblocks himself, because he thinks about her.
Oh my days.
There's no way.
It's her, Choppy Chop.
Fuck.
you've been traumatized.
Oh, power play. Oh, okay. I think you actually are.
Oh, wow.
Told you, bro.
Oh, what the
Oh, I didn't do it. It's because
Told
like
you,
a
man.
fucking lollipop, bro.
He's in love.
Yeah.
No, that's wholesome, that's
Oh,
wholesome.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
wholesome.
It's fair enough. Now he still has the motivation, you know?
No, he's restricting himself, man.
No, that's wholesome, bro. That's
It's
wholesome.
not wholesome. Well, I thought he was gonna eat out something else.
Oh.
Oh, shit. Jeez Louise.
Wait, how old is he again? 17?
16.
16.
Yeah.
No, everyone just wants to use him.
Yeah, true, actually. It's a manipulation tactic.
Like, that's a pretty cool animation sequence.
No, this is actually really
Yeah.
well animated, like, seriously.
Mm.
Like, I swear the animation's getting better.
Yeah.
Like, now that they've realised it's popping off or something, I don't know.
They're like actual scenes from a movie, sort of like camera angles.
True.
What's she up to?
She's on like a business trip or something?
It's another one of their lovers. What?
What the heck?
That's sauce.
Some sort of device.
Fire.
It's a devil?
Everyone just ducked. They made a shootout or something.
Must be a devil.
Hey, press him.
Oh, what the fuck? No, 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 no.
Oh, no.
Akuma?
No, no. This better not be true. This better not be true, right?
Wait, what?
No.
Team C? What?
Fuck you, Team C!
What the fuck? Wait, what?
Fuck Team C!
Nah, can we stop this anime? Can we stop?
Jesus
Oh my
Christ.
god.
Bro.
How can you jump from that to some...
Bro, this anime is
What?
fucking...
Like Game of Thrones type shit.
Yeah.
Nah, no way she's actually dead. She's gonna come back later or something, right? I don't know, surely.
There's no way.
But what if this is his motivation?
No, it wouldn't be otherwise.
To get revenge or something,
Yeah,
I don't
true.
know.
But then he's gold, bro. It's gone.
Yeah.
It's been replaced.
He's gonna root someone else now.
Wait,
Yeah,
what
everyone's
is going
got
on?
guns.
Everyone's strapped
It
up.
could be the gun devil, bro.
It's the same
Oh.
people.
Could be the gun...
Wait, actually, they're all guns? Gun devil? Oh my god, even
No,
the
it has to be-
grandma's
no.
strapped up.
No,
Wait,
no,
what?
bro, what's going
No.
on?
Wait, something. Wait, what?
She needed to die there, that one.
True. Oh.
俺は普通にうめえけどな足に気安く話しかけるな疲れた江戸っ子片木はいい人
Gun?
Oh, wait.
レンジ
Oh.
俺も好きだったわ
Wait, what?
Oh,
何の
his
つもりだ
daddy's fucking...
知り合かったってのはてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ
Oh,
What?
What the
Wait,
Wait,
no.
What's going on?
I'm confused.
I mean, we didn't need any characters in the show.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, she's the only character now. Sweet.
Yeah.
God. Oh, he's gonna. Oh, special move.
He gets the fucking wolf out for that.
You may as well, man.
Jesus Christ.
Wait. I don't know if that's what. Doesn't he have to
What?
give up a body part for that?
No, he just has to give up part of his flesh.
Well, his time alive wasn't it?
Or. No, is his pet fucked?
Wait,
No
what?
way.
Neither human nor devil.
It's the Gun Devil. No
What?
way.
No,
I'm telling you.
No way. Wait, what?
Oh,
Fuck. He's going.
So the chainsaw. It's a sword man.
Sword Man. Oh, what?
Wait, this ramped up.
Yeah, bro, this is
What
a
is going on?
crazy episode.
Jesus Christ. Wait, it's the sword that takes time off his life, eh?
Oh, really? It's what, 3 fucking goes?
What?
Ah, so that's the sword power. I mean, just whoa. Okay.
銃を使っていやがった日本では警察とデビルハンター以外
So they're all part of the fucking Gundam.
Yeah.
Yeah, they must have had to deal with the devil.
That nail.
いい動きだったねどこから来たそいつの仲間が
What? What?
The hell?
さっと殺して
Nah, Denji needs to chainsaw man up.
Yeah.
Oh,
No.
no way, bro.
No.
Jesus.
way, bro.
What?
No.
Wait, everyone's dying.
Yeah, so the only character left is the girl with ears.
Yeah.
ゴースト嫌だあの
What? So even the girl doesn't, the ghost doesn't anymore.
No, she's gone as well.
女私の全部をあげるからゴーストの全部使わせてアキ君は泣くことができる
Whoa.
でもアキ君はすぐ泣く面倒見てた新人が死んだ時なんかは隠れて泣いていたから面白かった
No.
だけ思って泣いてもらえたら嬉し
Oh
い
my god.
It's better be worth it.
She sacrificed both her arms.
Oh my. Big.
アキ君は死なないでね私が死んだ時さ
No.
泣いてほしいからエビ
Her legs, bro, they're gone, bro.
Yeah.
Well, she sacrificed everything.
Oh, what? Bro, that's,
Is that the chick?
Fuck.
that's even more OP.
Oh, that was her.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, Denji, come on, you gotta come out now, mate. Fuck.
Oh my god, she just vanished.
Fuck.
Wow.
Sacrificed every body part.
The G-string.
No. Yes.
What?
Jesus
Sorry,
Christ.
Bro, that episode was fucked.
Wait, surely.
That was the most... Bro, that's it literally ramped up tenfold.
Wait,
Yeah.
is it, like, how are they gonna get everyone alive again? Or they're
That
not?
actually might be the most like single craziest anime episode I've ever seen.
Wait, so Makima's dead.
There's no way, bro.
Surely,
Oh,
nah,
like
surely.
Denji all dead? Fuck off.
Okay,
No,
Denji's-
Denji's gonna be fine.
Denji's
Main
obviously gonna be
character.
fine. He
Main
has to.
character.
But he got shot in the head. Explain.
Mm.
No, because Vegeta's his heart. And his
Yeah,
soul.
true. Okay, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, he just drinks a bit of blood and then...
He's all good.
I think Makima might actually be dead.
No.
No, there's no way.
Bro, she got
No,
head.
there's no
She
way.
got like shot by like 4 people.
No, they're gonna find a loophole.
Wait, what's her
surely.
power again? What's?
We don't know yet.
We haven't seen it much.
Oh, maybe
Exactly.
Makima
The
is
pure
actually.
fact that we don't know
Guardian
yet
Angel.
means that she's not dead. Yeah, respect.
Okay,
respect.
wait, okay.
Yeah, surely.
That
Yeah,
true.
GA.
Yeah,
Yeah, just invincible or something.
Yeah, Renata.
Yeah.
Renata. If she gets another kill within 10 seconds,
Yeah,
she lives. She
true,
lives.
true.
Yeah. If
Oh.
not, action coming on,
Yeah.
respawn
Yeah,
instantly.
Denji's action.
Yeah, 100%.
Oh my.
What the fuck?
Okay, that's crazy.
Yeah, that was a crazy episode.
So is Aki dead as well? Or he's
nah,
still
he's
there?
not dead.
But yo, that chick is definitely dead. I keep forgetting her name.
Yeah, there's
What's
no
her
way
name?
they'll kill off Aki again. No.
Aki is a respectable character now. Like, I don't know. They can't kill him yet.
Yeah.
I don't know. Especially like when they said that like he cried after all of his like new recruits died. I feel like that gives me like more respect for him. Because like he actually like cares for them. I don't know. Like it contrasts to like when we first met him when he was like beating up
Oh, yeah.
Denji. Like I don't
That was
know.
a good scene.
Yeah. Damn.
No, but he always had respect for Denji.
He did.
Because when they were stuck in that hotel, he's like, oh, no, I'm not going to use it.
Yeah, he was the only one that saved him, eh?
Yeah.
So, I don't know. But my respect for Aki has like grown so much that I don't want him to die. And he probably isn't going to die.
Okay, he's got main character priority.
Yeah, I feel.
After seeing that, mate.
So, someone's going to have to save them right now.
It's Denji.
Eye Patch Girl was gone as soon as Denji didn't root. You see? If Denji rooted, then she'd get main character priority. And she would have clutched up.
She would have achieved main character
protection.
But she didn't.
Okay.
Fuck.
But see that devil, the fiend, the one with the horns.
Power.
The reason why she got main character priority is because Denji felt her up. See what I mean? So there's a pure connection between if Denji does something with the characters.
What's he done with Aki?
We don't know yet. Off screen. Off
screen.
Sack whacked him, bro.
Oh, so that has
Yeah, 100%. Little shin job.
Yeah.
That's such a good scene.
Shinja.
You haven't lived until you've had a shin job, I'm telling you.
Jesus.
Sounds painful.
Yeah, it's painful the first 100 times it happens, but after 100 times it gets good. It gets real good.
100%.
Yeah.
It's like having coffee or beer.
Yeah, it's an acquired taste,
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
It's an acquired
I
taste.
feel you should try on you.
I'm no expert.
No!
I'm no expert, but somebody line up their shin right now.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed that episode. I sure did.
Oh,
Yeah, that was insane.
Yeah,
the best one yet, maybe.
Yeah.
That was crazy. I'm gonna be thinking about that for the next week until I watch the next episode, episode 9.
True, actually.
Let's try and hit 1,000 likes this time.
1,000.
1,000.
We can do it. We can do it.
The big
Definitely
one
do it.
below.
Yeah.
So yeah, make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and comment if you want. Negativity, that's fine.
Anything, bro, anything.
We're used
can
to
do
it
it.
by now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Alright, thank you.
Thanks,
See ya.
guys.
You fade away. As you fade